time since I've seen an Indian.
Yeah. Well, right.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Amazing.
It is incredible.
It's a Yamaha.
No, it's Energica. It's Italian.
Incredible.
Just watch out.
Look that thing up.
Yeah.
What's the rate?
I will do 120 in town.
Like a tank of gas anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. What? So I'm back at the same charge station that the Harley failed to charge. I just want to try it, even though I don't need it. And somebody said, who rides a lot of electric bikes, he said the best thing is to top them up as and when you have a chance. So it's got 67 miles range left. I'm riding it in sport with full power, I don't care. And it's got 87% battery charge. So I'll set it up and get back to you. This is the way you get to the thing, which is, there is a key here, and then that opens, and then you've got the charge ports. I don't know if you can see them here. And then if you want the full Monty, you take the other one out and then you plug it in here. Let's see. Please connect the cable to the vehicle. What a heavy cable. DC fast charge initialization. Energica, you see? 87% it read the thing. And it's charging at 20 kilowatts. 87%. In order to optimize battery performance, it is suggested to do not disconnect the cable until charge is completed. Oh God, how long do I have to stay here? So the Harley didn't work. This one, instantly it saw it. Okay, let's see. %. Let me set the timing on my phone. So 88%, and the timer just started. Actually, I'm gonna wait until it's fully charged. I wanna see. It tells me the timing here anyway. That's good. Balancing 89%. It's a good looking bike, man. I'm really impressed. And those lights, by the way, they indicate how much battery charge there is. It's quite cool. When I had it in my garage, I just had to pop in and see and say, oh, it's about 3/4 done. And with the charger they give you for home, I estimated it's about 4 hours or 4 hours 15 minutes for a full charge, which is again not bad. You come home from work, plug it in, before you go to bed most probably you unplug it or leave it until morning. 92%. And it's been 4 minutes now. Maybe this will be the future. Each one of these is going to be an electric thing. I hope I don't live to see it, but then if we are forced to, I know that I've got an alternative. Okay, I think I'm done because it's giving 0 because it's optimizing and doing all that. It's at 95%. So I'm going to remove it. I think to remove the cable you need to switch the bike on, and then you can safely remove the cable. So I believe. No, why aren't you press mode to unlock? Mode. There we go. Come on. Confirm charge cable unlock. You can press mode to confirm. Okay. Unlock. So there we go. This is all new to me, guys. But then you learn. Just read the screen. It tells you. So 13 minutes, 1.53 kilowatt per hour it used. I mean, that's for you guys who understand this stuff. 25,005 DTC. End session. No idea how much it cost. If I see it on the credit card, I will let you guys know. But it was written where was it written? Oh, there. 39p per kilowatt hour. So what is that? What did I use? 1 point something? Can't remember. I'll put it on the screen. Look at this, guys. Obviously I'm parked forward, so I need to go back. Obviously I can pedal it. It's not on an uphill or something, but why should I? Hold the front brake, press that, wait for it. It goes R, which is reverse. Look behind. You look behind and you just creep back slowly. And then if you, that's for maneuvering. If you press it again, F is slow movement forward. So now no matter how much you accelerate, it's just slow. And then you stop and you press that and hold. It goes back into go normal. I think all electric bikes should have this function because they are heavy.